question 6. A high-speed copier prints 100 pages in 2 minutes. An older copier prints 100 pages in 5 minutes. If both copiers run together, how long will it take to print 500 pages? Notice here that this question involves both workers working together. But it is pretty different from the other work problems we solved earlier. In the previous work problems, the job done was only one job, like painting one house, framing one wall, or filling one pool. But in this question, the job that both workers must complete together is not just one single job. According to the question, each copier can print 100 pages. So, we treat the 100 pages as one complete job because that is the amount each copier finishes on its own. However, since we want to print 500 pages, and each job is 100 pages, we divide the 500 by the 100. This will give us 5 jobs. So, printing 500 pages is the same as completing 5 full jobs. Therefore, because this is not just one job, we cannot use the shortcut method here. Remember, the shortcut method only works when 2 workers are working together to finish one whole job. But here, they are not completing one job together, they are completing 5 jobs. So, the shortcut method will not apply. However, the total work done formula and the table method can both be used to solve this problem correctly. So, let's use the total work done formula first. We know that the total work done equals the work done in the stage 1, WA, plus the work done in stage 2, WB. However, in this question, there is only one stage of work, where both copiers are running at the same time. So the total work done is simply the work they complete together in that one stage. Therefore, we can remove the WB term from the equation. Next, we know that the work equals rate times time. So WA equals RA times TA. Therefore, total work done equals RA times TA. Finally, printing 500 pages is the same as completing 5 full jobs, so the work here equals 5. Now we can use this formula to answer the question. First, let's find the rate RA. Note that the RA represents the combined rate of both copiers as they are working together, and TA represents the time taken to finish the job when both copiers are working together. So to find the combined rate RA, we add the rate of the high-speed copier, which will represent as RH, to the rate of the old copier, which will represent as RO. As always, rate equals work over time. And according to the question, the high-speed copier can print 100 pages in 2 minutes. So, its rate equals 1 over 2. Plus, the old copier can print 100 pages in 5 minutes, so its rate equals 1 over 5. Therefore, RA equals 1 over 2 plus 1 over 5. Next, to add these fractions together, we'll use the cross multiplication method. First, we'll multiply the denominators together. So we'll multiply the 2 and the 5 to get 10. Therefore, this 10 is the new denominator of the added fractions. Next, we'll multiply the 5 by the 1 to get 5. Then we'll multiply the 2 by the 1 to get 2. Finally, since we have addition here, we'll add these two numbers. 5 plus 2 is 7. Therefore, RA equals 7 over 10. Next, the TA here represents the time it will take if both copiers were working together to complete the 5 jobs. So, to solve this question, we must find TA. First, we can substitute the RA value into the total work done formula. So we have 5 equals 7 over 10 times TA. Next, 7 over 10 times TA is the same as 7 times TA, all divided by 10. So we'll multiply both sides of the equation by 10. The 10s on the right side cancel out. Next, 10 times 5 is 50. So we have 50 equals 7 times TA. Next, we'll divide both sides by 7. The 7s on the right side cancel out. Therefore, TA equals 50 over 7 minutes. And we can write it in the mixed fraction form as 7 and 1/7 minutes. So, it will take both copiers 7 and 1/7 minutes to print all 500 pages. Check out how to use the table method for this question when you get the course. In that video, we'll even show you how you can totally skip drawing the table and jump to the one formula that is important.